Hello everyone, this is video number 30 of Database Management System subject question and answer video series. Let's go to see the requirement. Question set 30. First one, find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11. Okay. Here we have to select the length. First we have to take the first name length. We have to add it to the length of it. Last name from student table. Okay, now we can execute here. Here's the output. The second one, telling Sinhala language and literature. Find the number of letters in this book. Have to select length of subject name is Sinhala language and literature, then semicolon here. Now we can execute the colon. We can execute the code here. Okay, 29 is length. Then the third one, find the number of letters in the full name of all students in class 11A. Have to select first name length, first name length. Have to pass it here. Last name length, from student and inner join into class table on student tables class id equal to class tables class id. Then the condition should be class name is 11A. Now we can execute the code here and get the output here. This output. Okay, let's go to fourth requirement. Prepare the first name of the grade 11B students in capital letters. Here we have to select first name. First name should be capital, that means upper, from student table. Now join it to class table on student table class id should be equal to class table class id. Their condition should be class name is equal to 11B. The semicolon here. Now we can execute the code here and get the name uppercase like this. Next, prepare the names of all subjects in simple letters. Simple means lowercase select subject name from the subject name should be simple, that is lower. Subject table. Select subject name subject name should be simple, that means lower from subject table. There is semicolon here. Now we can execute the code and get the output in lowercase. Okay. The last requirement, find the average of marks obtained by Amanda Murthy student in 11A in all term examination. The subject of science. Examination name, class term, in all term, subject science subject. Now we can select the mark. Then mark would be average AVG from student exam mark report table. Inner join into student on student exam mark report tables, student index number, should be equal to student table index number. Then inner join to subject on student exam mark report table, subject ID equal to subject table subject ID. Then the condition should be first name, last name should be equal to and subject name science, and should be equal to science. Okay, now we can execute the code and with the output average now is 80. Okay, all requirements are done. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.